Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akinlusi. You can follow me on YouTube as Instagram Paul and on Facebook as Akinlusi Paul Akinlulu, on Instagram as Akinlusi Paul Akinlulu. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This installation we are doing here, if you have watched our previous classes, I mean the theoretical classes on electrical installation, I've actually
Very dark
did
because
a
of
tutorial and did a practical sample of this job. Here we are trying to set up an electric fence pole. As you can see, a 6 line, and we are using ferro system to tension a wire. So that means that we are putting ferro on the flex side end and the other end of the electric fence pole. And for you to be able to achieve enough strength here, we normally advise, you can see we tied the ribbon here because the ribbon was shaking a little. We normally advise that you use what we call angle pull. In our previous classes, I've discussed angle pull where I said we have the L type and we have the square type. The particular type I use here is the square type. You can see I've been using here. You can see each single pull that we are using. And the installation here is actually done by one of the training by name Timothy Omodusi. He's very, very active and he's also a serving corps member in defense. So basically, things here are putting up so many protective devices, and that's him trying to make sure that the ribbon is meant to guide the flow of our cable. That's high voltage steel cable. So he's trying to put it one after the other like that. And from below is line 4. You can see here that's the angle pole. You can see that the angle pole is twice the size of the single pole, and it's also drawing it down straight like that. So although I normally encourage my training that we take it from the lowest line to the highest point. That's our own choice of doing our job. Some
like
people
that.
will prefer to take it from highest to lowest. So here you want to connect the spring, the hook, and the ferrule. Depending on your choice, you can see here we place our danger sign or hazard sign very close to the pole. Some people will prefer to put it at the middle, but here the owner of the project preferred it to be closer to the poles. I'm trying to show you all the poles one after the other. Can you see that is 6 line pole? And in this particular type, we follow the coping pattern and the demarcation of the fence. So we ensure that we fix the pole. The best time to fix the pole is during coping, so that it can have a very strong form. Or if it's not, you can carry your hammer, your chisel. You can watch our previous video how to make such hole, and you can as well use drilling machine. And I've talked about the cement ratio that we normally use. You will see that at each terminating end here, we have a spring, a hook, and a ferrule following the elevation of the fence. And if you want to learn about electric fence installation, you can actually reach us. We have not tensioned the last line here. Tensioning it means putting more tension on it so that the whole system can be firm. The front side of this fence here, we have not put tension on it because those that are doing the cement work on the pillars of the gates, they are not yet through. And I don't want a situation where after we have tensioned it, we still end up, can you see here? You will still end up removing it and putting it again. And at each edges of the
See what engine
electric fence,
is
we
solar.
ensure that we use an higher
It's electric
cement to
fancy.
sand, to sharp sand or gravel
Nice
ratio
one.
so that we can maintain the
Yo.
tension and the angles which bear most of the pressure. Can you see what I'm saying here? These
Okay.
are the angles. Have a very solid. Can you see the form work we did there to make sure that it can accommodate, bear the pressure that's coming by? That's Timothy himself. That's I myself. That's when we are fixing the pole of another side of the whole system, and we work alongside with the uh, bricklayers because they are trying to plaster the fence. Can you see what I'm saying now? We mix a different ratio of cement for especially our hedges here. So we are trying to use the mortar here to ensure that each angle, I mean each terminal point there has a very strong and durable cement ratio and mortar to accommodate the pressure that
It's not up to,
it
sir.
that we'll be using. So that's it. So if you have any electric fence job, you can call on us. If you are within Nigeria, call 080 380 15711. And if you are outside Nigeria, you need to add +234 80 380 15711. And you can request for a code via my email panayo25